Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I'm Srinidhi. I do videos related to homemade remedies, product reviews, haul videos, fashion related videos and Bollywood updates. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell to get all the updates from my channel. Caffeine is not just your morning energizer. It's a very important addition in our kitchen shelf due to number of reasons. Caffeine is very good for your skin, hair and health. Excited? Then keep on watching. You might rely your morning cup of coffee that boosts your energy and helps to improve your metabolism on daily basis. While coffee is widely used as beverages, it's also gaining its reputation as an alternative skin remedy. Glowing skin with coffee sounds little weird, but yes, applying coffee face pack will definitely give you that young and glow looking skin naturally. All thanks to the antioxidant properties that present in coffee, which also includes phenols that helps to fight against free radicals that can lead to your skin damage. So let's see some of the benefits of coffee for our skin. The antioxidant property present in caffeine helps to fight against those free radicals that can lead to damage our skin and also cause the premature aging. Caffeine possesses an anti-inflammatory properties that helps to reduce the inflammation and the redness in the skin. It's also used in the treatment of under-eye dark circles. Caffeine may also repair your skin damage that is caused due to the exposure of sun. It is also used for the acne treatment. Caffeine also helps to reduce the appearance of cellulite in the skin. These are some of the benefits of coffee for our skin. Now let's see 3 homemade face pack that is helpful for glowing and radiant skin. Bright and fair complexion is the dream of every woman, and coffee with the combination of milk proves it best. We need 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and 1.5 tablespoon of raw milk. Mix both the ingredients and make a good paste, then spread it on a cleansed face and neck. Leave it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it with cold water by massaging gently for 1 to 2 minutes. It exfoliates the dead skin cells from the face and gives smooth and radiant skin. Apply this face pack for twice a week. We all are aware of the benefits of turmeric. It is the perfect antioxidant and very helpful to clear the skin tone. This is the best coffee face pack for fairness since it has the qualities of both natural antioxidants. We need 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix all of the above mentioned ingredients without a lump on it. Apply on your face and keep it dry for 20 minutes. Rinse it with normal water. This face pack will eliminate the lifeless or dead cells from your face and rejuvenates it. Apply this mask twice a week for better results. The extracts of coffee bean and the combination of the richness of coconut oil works as a fine scrub and mask which deeply removes the dead skin cells and nourishes the skin. This face mask gives you a beaming, lustrous complexion. It makes your face so smooth and dazzling. We need 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix the above ingredients into a fine paste. Apply this paste on the freshly cleansed face, leave it for 15 minutes and wash it with water. Use this mask twice a week. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up, share the video with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you super soon in my next one. Until then, stay happy and be positive. Bye guys.